Imagine a world where rain falls not as water but as liquid methane, where vast lakes stretch across an alien landscape, and storms reshape the surface in ways both familiar and mysterious. Welcome to Titan, Saturn's enigmatic moon, where an otherworldly hydrological cycle unfolds beneath a thick orange haze. Titan, Saturn's largest moon, is a world unlike any other in our solar system. Its thick, hazy atmosphere hides a landscape sculpted by an alien water cycle, not of HO, but of methane and ethane. These hydrocarbons behave on Titan as water does on Earth, forming vast lakes, flowing rivers, and even storms that reshape the surface. The moon's frigid environment, hovering around 290 degrees Fahrenheit, 179 degrees Celsius, allows methane to exist in liquid form, pooling into vast bodies that dot the landscape like terrestrial seas. The atmosphere, rich in nitrogen with a thick layer of organic haze, obscures the surface from easy observation. It took the Cassini-Huygens mission to pierce through the orange fog, revealing a world where familiar processes unfold in unfamiliar ways. Titan's lakes, primarily found near the poles, stretch for hundreds of miles, forming intricate shorelines and islands sculpted by the slow but persistent forces of erosion. The largest of these, Kraken Mare, is a sprawling sea of liquid methane, its depth still uncertain. These lakes glisten under the dim sunlight, reflecting an alien sky with a subdued, golden glow. Methane rain occasionally falls from Titan's thick clouds, replenishing the lakes and carving out networks of rivers that snake across the landscape. These storms are rare but dramatic. They begin when sunlight, faint but persistent, causes methane to evaporate from the lakes and rise into the upper atmosphere. There, it condenses into droplets, forming massive, swirling cloud systems. When the conditions are right, these clouds unleash torrents of liquid methane, drenching the ground in a deluge that can last for hours or even days. The force of these rains carves channels into Titan's surface, creating intricate drainage networks that resemble those found on Earth. Between storms, Titan's surface remains eerily still. The lakes, undisturbed by wind or waves due to the moon's dense yet sluggish atmosphere, appear as glassy, motionless expanses. Yet, beneath the surface, complex processes unfold. Scientists suspect that methane and ethane seep into porous rock-like formations of frozen water ice, creating underground reservoirs that could feed the lakes over time. Some believe that Titan's lakes may experience subtle tides, influenced not by the wind, but by Saturn's immense gravitational pull. This constant ebb and flow could shape Titan's shoreline over millennia, a slow but relentless transformation driven by forces both seen and unseen. Despite the frigid conditions, Titan's methane cycle raises tantalizing questions about the possibility of life. On Earth, life thrives in water, but could it also exist in liquid methane? Some scientists speculate that exotic organisms might use methane as a solvent for biological processes, potentially leading to an entirely new form of biochemistry. If such life exists, it would be unlike anything found on Earth, perhaps slow-moving, cold-adapted, and dependent on chemical reactions unimaginable to us. Whether or not Titan harbors life, its methane lakes and rainstorms reveal a world in motion, shaped by forces eerily familiar yet profoundly alien. As scientists continue to unravel Titan's secrets, its methane lakes and storms challenge our understanding of planetary science and the possibilities of life beyond Earth. Could this frigid, distant world hold answers to questions we've yet to ask? The more we explore, the more Titan proves that the universe is far stranger and more fascinating than we ever imagined.